Hey everybody, welcome back. Um, where today is going to be a little different. We're going to be doing a how-to video, step-by-step guide on buying XRP this year. Now, I know some of you have reached out to me concerning how to buy this coin. So I'm going to make a step-by-step guide on how I did it and how I think the way you should do it. Plus, I'm using ChatGPT to help with the tutorial so that you can see what that AI system recommends on how you buy XRP. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, the first step that we need to do, according to ChatGPT, is understand what XRP really is. And I've explained this a couple times in my previous videos, but for those of you that are new, we can go ahead and just always cover what XRP is. It's always good to know, and it's always good to remember and stay updated with it. Okay. So before you dive in, it says it's essential to understand what XRP is and why you want to buy it. So what exactly is XRP? XRP is a cryptocurrency designed by Ripple Labs for fast, low cost international money transfers. It acts as a bridge currency, facilitating cross border transactions between different fiat currencies. So you can literally, basically, XRP is a cross border payment system that allows large companies, you and I, that are not also large companies, and big entities or what banks, especially banks, to pay things at a very low cost. And I know Swift is kind of, it's not expensive, but it's certainly a lot more than what XRP would cost to make one single transaction. And it says here, why buy XRP in 2025? XRP is gaining attention due to increasing adoption by financial institutions. Its role in Ripple's on demand liquidity (ODL) solution and its potential for price growth, especially if Ripple resolves its legal battle with the SEC. So we're still waiting for the legal battle to end, and obviously we're waiting for XRP to land as the winner against the SEC, but only time will tell, right? So let's keep our hopes high with that. So, step two, choose a wallet for XRP. So, before buying XRP, you need a secure place to store it. There are two main types of wallets. Bullet point one, hot wallets, online wallets. Examples of this would be Trust Wallet or Automatic Wallet. So these are easy to set up and are use, but are less secure than cold wallets because they're connected to the internet. So if you don't want something connected to the internet, don't really use hot wallets. Okay. A cold wallet is, as you guessed it, the opposite of what a hot wallet is, right? Hardware wallets, as you know, as they're also called. An example of this would be Ledger Nano X or Trezor. These offer the high security by keeping your XRP offline. And it says recommendation for long term storage, use a cold wallet. For trading or short term holding, a hot wallet is fine. So let's go to one of these to see what exactly is it that they're talking about and what recommendation they're actually referring to. So if we go to the online website Trezor, this is the, so think of Trezor as like a lock, a really strong online security lock only made for your crypto and for your money online, right? So it says here you don't want to keep it on online exchanges because you don't truly own your coins. Exchanges are targets for hackers and your personal data may be exposed. But if you buy a hardware wallet such as Trezor, you 100% own your coins, your wallet is 100% safe online, and your data is 100% anonymous. Okay? So if you want me to do a full video and breakdown about Trezor for XRP, I can totally do that. Just go ahead and like this video and comment in the section that you want me to make a video about Trezor regarding XRP, and I'll certainly do that for you guys. Okay, so let's go to what exactly is Trezor to make it a little easier for you. So Trezor is a hardware wallet that stores private keys offline to keep cryptocurrency secure. Trezor wallets are designed and marketed by Satoshi Labs, a Prague-based company. So it's a password management, second factor authentication, and device protection. So it's literally a lock for your online crypto money. Okay, it's basically a wallet online, but it's super secure. Okay, so I'm not gonna get too much into it. I'll make a separate video regarding that for XRP and showing you a step by step on how to actually put XRP into that cold wallet. Okay, so moving on. Step 3, choose a reputable exchange. To buy XRP, you need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. In 2025, several exchanges support XRP. Here's how to choose the right one. So, here are some factors to consider, okay? What is available in your country? Not everything is going to be available in certain regions of the world. Okay, you have to see online which ones are regulated and obviously available to you, right? How much are the fees? How much would it cost you to withdraw that money if you were wanting to at any point of time, right? Security features, the ease of use. Is it easy to use? Or is it difficult? You want to make sure that you understand what it is you're getting into when it's regarding an exchange to buy cryptocurrency, specifically XRP. So some popular exchanges that support XRP this year, 2025. There's Binance, as you can see. There's Coinbase, Kraken, Bitstamp. I personally use Uphold. I can show you guys here what Uphold looks like. So I can go to Uphold right here, Uphold Crypto. Okay, so I usually use Uphold to buy all of my cryptocurrencies here. This is just what I use here in California, in America. So that's what I use. So again, I'm not going to get too much in depth with it. If you want me to make a video about it, I certainly can. Step 4, you have to create an account on the exchange, right? So you want to visit the exchange website. We're going to use Uphold as an example, right? And you want to click sign up or register, enter your email address, and for sure create a strong password. Okay, make sure it's something not related to you, because that's how hackers usually figure it out. And then follow the instructions to complete the process. Also, most exchanges are going to need you to verify your identity, so please have some type of government issued ID, as it says here, either a passport, driver's license, and then you want to submit a proof of address. You want to use like a utility bill, a bank statement, and make sure that it's compliance with the anti-money laundering laws in your country or wherever you're from. Okay, so in this case, if we go to Uphold, you'll click on Get Started, and then it'll say create a free Uphold wallet account. But if you already have one, obviously log in. You can download using the little scan code here, the barcode. Okay, so I'm not going to get too in depth with that. So we're going to move on to step 5. So step 5 would be to deposit funds into your account. So after setting up your account, you need to deposit money to buy XRP. And it says exchanges typically offer these options. So you can use bank transfers. This is the cheapest method, as it states here, and it takes about 1 to 3 days. I personally use a credit or debit card. You can instantly buy XRP using your card. The fees can be a little higher, but if you want an instant money purchase for a specific coin that you're looking for, then that might be the option for you, okay? Or if you already own Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can just deposit them and trade them for XRP. And then remember, it's going to be traded based on the current price that XRP is currently trading on now, okay? So that's step 5. Now, step 6 is you actually have to buy XRP. So once your account is funded, you're ready to buy XRP. So once you've done all those steps above, 1 through 5, and you have, let's say in my case, I use a credit card or a debit card, then you want to buy it. So you want to search for XRP on the exchange, You want to navigate to the markets or trading section of your exchange that you're using, right? Search for XRP. Okay, that's the actual name that you should be able to find in your exchange. Choose your order type. Okay, it says market order, which buys XRP instantly at the current market price, or a limit order. It lets you set a specific price at which you want to buy XRP at. So if you think XRP, let's say XRP is at $2 and you expect it to go to $1.50, you can set a limit order at $1.50 for the amount you want to purchase. And once price tags $1.50, then you're already entered into the market. Okay. Market order is an instant buy or sell on XRP, right? It's instant. Whenever you click buy or sell, boom, you're active in the market. Okay. And then bullet point 3 says you have to enter the amount. So specify the amount of XRP you want to buy or the amount of crypto you want to spend. So again, you're going to be buying at the price XRP is worth. Okay. And then you want to confirm your purchase. Obviously, it's gonna want you to double check the details, and then you click buy. And then once you completed it, then the XRP will appear in your exchange wallet, and then you can just watch it as day by day or however you want to do it. All right. So step 7 says transfer XRP to your wallet. For security reasons, which we spoke about using Trezor, it's recommended to move your XRP to your personal wallet rather than leave it on the exchange. So step 1 would to get your wallet address. So you want to open your XRP wallet and copy your wallet address, a string of letters and numbers. It's very simple. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it before. And then you want to withdraw XRP from your exchange. So in this case, you want to withdraw it using Uphold, right? Go to the withdraw or transfer section on the exchange. Paste your wallet address and specify the amount of XRP to transfer. Then, as always, you'd want to double check the address to avoid errors, okay? And then bullet point 3 would be confirm the withdrawal. Complete the process and wait for the transaction to be confirmed. It usually takes within minutes, but I haven't seen it go past more than a minute in my case, maybe 2 minutes, but that's not bad at all. So step 8 would be, according to ChatGPT, it says you want to secure your wallet. So to ensure your XRP stays safe, follow these tips. You want to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, for your wallet. Back up your wallet recovery phrase in a secure offline location. And 3, obviously, you want to avoid sharing your wallet details with anyone. That even includes your wife, okay? Not even your kids. This is only for you, okay? So step 9 would be monitor XRP's performance. Now you're at the very fun stage of XRP, is monitoring what it does. Okay, you don't want to be on it every day, but you can check it like once a day or once every other day. Okay, so it says now that you own XRP, keep an eye on its performance. Use apps like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to track prices. You really don't need that. Once, for example, you buy on Uphold, you can just watch for the price on Uphold and watch it from there. Log in and watch it from there. Okay. You want to stay updated with XRP news and developments. Examples are regulatory updates and Ripple partnerships. That's key. You want to see what the market cap is looking like, what kind of partnerships XRP is going for. Okay. So once you're in it, you're already an investor. Once you get to step 9, you're an investor already. You've already done it. Now you have to stay on top of it and be responsible for your investment, right? And then you want to set realistic goals for when to sell or hold XRP based on market conditions. So you want to be realistic, and you want to, put money in that you're not going to be really emotionally attached to. Remember, investing is money that you're not going to be emotionally attached to. This is money that you can spare and that you don't really care about losing. Okay, so you want to be realistic about that, about your goals for XRP. Me personally, XRP is a long-term hold for me. So that's something that I've already made a decision for myself. You're going to need to make those realistic goals and decisions before you start getting through all these steps. All right. So last but not least, step 10 would be avoid common mistakes. So to maximize your investment, avoid these pitfalls, which I think we kind of went over a little bit. So buying without research. You want to always understand what you're investing in. So my recommendation to you is to just Google XRP news, see what it's doing, right? See what's going on with it in politics, see what it's doing in government, see what XRP is doing in the court system with the what's the legal battle going with the SEC, how is it being developed with the Ripple Labs company, right? You want to also Google XRP partnerships. Are there any new partnerships arising? Has XRP gone away from certain partnerships, and why did they do so? You want to be on top of this. Like I said, you're an investor now. This is your job to stay on top of this. Okay. You want to avoid falling for scams. So only use trusted exchanges and wallets. That's why I said you want to use exchanges that are regulated. If you go to an exchange that's not regulated, then the government cannot oversee and provide the laws needed to protect you from using your hard-earned money to buy XRP. Okay? And final bullet point number 3 is you want to not over invest. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. And that is something I just mentioned. You don't want to put money in that you can't lose and that you're super emotionally attached to, because then you're going to start making emotional decisions based on your cash. Okay. So remember, we're here to make logical decisions, and reasoning needs to be there. No emotions need to be attached. All right. So it says this is the step by step guide, obviously by ChatGPT, that ensures that anyone from beginners to experienced investors can safely and confidently buy XRP this year, 2025. So that's literally it, guys. It's really that easy. If you need me to go over and make a video about certain exchanges, certain other cold wallets, you need me to make another tutorial that you think would help you guys about XRP, then just leave a comment in this video and let me know. And I'm willing to do that because I want to push XRP's information out there so that people can understand what it is and they can understand how to utilize this great cryptocurrency that's in front of our eyes. It's a great investment, and it's not financial advice, but it's something I got into. And I just want other people to understand what XRP truly is and how easy it is to, if they make the decision, which is totally up to you guys and them, then here's a step-by-step guide. Okay? So I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good night, at least here in LA. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.